Welcome to Transformation Tuesday. Every week, we unlock a new chapter in your health and wellness journey. Here, it's about transforming not just your body, but your life. From nourishing foods to invigorating workouts, we cover it all. Hit that like button and subscribe now for weekly inspiration. Because every Tuesday, we bring you something fresh, something exciting, something transformative. Ready to make a change? Let's dive in.
Welcome to the finale of Transformative Tastes. In our series wrap-up, we revisit the key learnings and celebrate our journey through the world of healthy and diverse cuisines. Let's reflect on our culinary voyage, from understanding basic food groups to exploring the rich tapestry of global cuisines. We've covered a spectrum of nutritional wisdom and cultural diversity. We dive deep into the nutritional aspects of various foods, learning how to make healthier choices and adapt classic dishes for our well-being. Your engagement has been vital. Viewer-submitted recipes and adaptations showed us the power of community in transforming eating habits and sharing cultural heritage. Thank you for joining us on Transformative Tastes. We hope this series has inspired you to explore, experiment, and enjoy the vast world of food. Keep cooking, keep learning, and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.